When you open up our quiz maker, you'll first see a button that says Add Question. This is your starting point for creating a fun, interactive quiz. With just one click, you'll get a basic template for a quiz question with a single right answer. Your job is to make this basic template fit your needs. Start by changing the question type to multiple answer. When you do this, the system will automatically set up a new question for you, along with 4 possible answers. You'll notice a spot labeled Enter Your Question here 0. This is where you can type in your question. You'll find it's easy to do, and you can do the same with the answer choices. But don't forget, the system automatically gives 0 points for each question. You need to change this to give points to the correct answer or answers. Next, let's look at the more advanced features of the tool. One cool feature is the Question/Options Editor. When you turn this on, you can add things like pictures to your questions or answers. For multiple answer questions, the tool takes care of one important detail. It automatically turns on the Score Individual Option feature. This lets you give different points for different answers, making grading more detailed. The Answer Information button is a special spot where only you and the system can see what you type. Even after students finish the quiz, they can't see this information. The tool also gives you Clone/Add/Delete buttons for each answer choice. This lets you change the options for each question, whether you want to add more, delete some, or copy the ones you have. Finally, there's a cool feature you might find handy. Each option has a checkbox labeled Show Detailed Description. When you check this box and add any extra text, image, or media, you'll see it all on the preview page. All these features help you make a really good quiz. You can add pictures, media, different points, teacher notes, and more details. Plus, being able to clone, add, or delete options makes the tool more flexible and easy to use. Don't forget to save your work often so you don't lose anything. It's also a good idea to preview your quiz before you share it with students. This lets you catch and fix any mistakes or problems.